Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply and redeem an Airbnb coupon. So, first, you may want to head over to airbnb.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on the three-line icon found at the top right corner of your screen, then click on Account Settings. Next, in the left panel, just click on Payments. And from the payments page, just scroll down until you get to the coupons section. And from here, all you have to do is click on Add Coupon. And all you have to do is enter in the coupon code, then proceed by clicking on Redeem Coupon. You can always use these coupons to help reduce the total amount of your reservations and bookings. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!